Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare creatine monohydrate versus Creapure. Let's dive into the fundamental aspects of creatine monohydrate, a widely recognized supplement. It plays a crucial role in energy production, helping your muscles perform during high-intensity, short-duration activities. This supplement is celebrated for its ability to improve athletic performance, increase muscle mass, and boost overall strength. It's a foundational choice for many seeking to enhance their physical capabilities. Now, let's explore Creapure. This isn't a different type of creatine, but rather a specific, high-quality brand of creatine monohydrate. Produced in Germany, Creapure adheres to exceptionally strict manufacturing guidelines, similar to those in the pharmaceutical industry. This meticulous process ensures a product with guaranteed purity, free from undesirable byproducts often found in lower-quality creatine. It's considered the gold standard for those prioritizing quality. When comparing standard creatine monohydrate versus Creapure, it's important to note that both deliver the core benefits of creatine, such as increased strength and power. The primary distinction lies in purity and manufacturing consistency. Creapure guarantees a minimum of 99.9% pure creatine monohydrate, ensuring minimal impurities. Generic creatine monohydrate, while effective, can vary in its purity levels and production standards, making Creapure a premium, trusted option. Choosing between creatine monohydrate and Creapure often comes down to personal preference and budget. If guaranteed purity and stringent quality control are your top priorities, Creapure is an excellent choice. However, many high-quality standard creatine monohydrate products are also very effective and more affordable. Both forms will help you achieve your fitness goals by boosting strength and power. Remember to check the description for a link to these meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Ultimately, selecting a reputable brand for either option is key to maximizing your results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.